Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily find sent emails on Outlook, whether it's on the application itself or via the web version. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, go to the official website, and once you are logged into your accounts, I want you to focus on the left side over here. You will see inbox, junk email, drafts, and right over here, you will notice send items. So this is what you need. You can click on this and it will reveal all of the sent items you had so far on your Outlook account. You can even click on the three dots to reveal more options. You can change color or you can actually add this to your favorites. So for example, if we're going to add this to your favorites, it will show up right over here, which is much more accessible. And that also applies to the application itself. Over here, same. If we're going to add to favorites, it will show up right over here. Then you can now easily browse all of the saved, or what I mean is all of the sent items in your Outlook account. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.